Hey everyone, Taylor here. Today has exclusive access to the world premiere of the Stan's original film, The Portable Door. Stay tuned on our social channels for lots of fun. First guest on the carpet, Mr. David Campbell.
I'm going to say probably your favourite guest.
Obviously my favourite guest.
Obviously your favourite. Don't tell Sam.
No, are you excited?
Look, I've already seen it, so I got to watch a little bit of the screen. This is really, really great. Great movie for the kids. Aussie production. It's unbelievable. Sam Neill is so good in this. You're going to love it.
Stunning.
Open. So we were constantly having lunches and dinners and going out, and it's just a great group of people on this film. And Jeffrey Walker, the director, really likes it.
Now, this is royalty.
Hey, it's David Campbell here, and I'm standing on the blue carpet, and we are here at the premiere of the Stan original film, The Portable Door. And soon the Portable Door will open, and all the stars and creators will come through, and we'll find out about this fantastic new Aussie film.
Hey guys, we're at the Portable Door premiere for Stan. It's coming out this Easter, and I can't wait for you to watch it.
Nice straight ahead, guys. Portable door. Now, if you could open a portable door that led anywhere, ever, where would you go and why?
Okay, I'll tell you what. If this door could get me to the next Olympics, we're going.
Go straight for a break. Go.
Straight through.
He's going to get in the Olympics anyway. What are you talking about? You know what I mean? He's going to get in anyway.
Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. Check out these other topics from Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment, then be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for our latest video.